Hey guys, this is Adam from Mayhem Ops, and today I just got my King Arms M4 MOE carbine in the mail from Airsoft Megastore. So I'm going to make an unboxing video of this, so let's get into it. I'm really excited about this gun because I've wanted it for a while and I just now got it in the mail. So I want to get into it fast because this thing is cool. This is cool. I also got some extra mag pouches with it, and a bottle of BBs, and a flip-up front sight to put on it. Here's the warranty and quick tips. And now here is the gun. This is sweet. I'm excited. Ah, this is awesome. This gun is so awesome. Gonna get the mag out. This gun is cool. This is cool. I like this. It's got a full metal body, about 370 FPS. I'm gonna go shoot this. Thanks for watching.
Whoa.